Look at that. Okay, and I haven't even dressed my stone yet. Oh, friends, it's just beautiful, friends. That's really what it is. Okay? So, funnily enough, I love that. Funnily enough, this is like a playground to me, friends. Okay, so Tin Man's 850. He built a nice saw here. He built a nice saw. There's a little bit of bucking to be done. I'm not gonna buck that whole log. I don't even know if I'll burn a tank, friends. I brought this saw has not had a full house chain on it yet, and I'm testing, like, I know this grind is mean right now, but anyways, I brought it to run it. Well, I'll tell you, Mr. Griff, you can get this thing moving, let me tell you. She moves, Griff. Oh yeah. Very nice. This thing is kind of like a laser beam, Griff, to be honest with you. It's very nice. Nice in the hands. Nice to swing. Let's get the Mac out, friends, just for a second. Try it without the choke first. All right, So friends, what we've done, I'm excited as all get out, because I got my Killinger skinny little handle again. I've got Mr. Griff's axe, and I've got the handle that, friends, I got the handle that we broke. The handle that I broke, this one. Yeah, and we're gonna give her a little smackaroni. And all I'm gonna do right now, just because, is, you know, we should actually go over to that bigger stuff that I got split. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's take a little peek at this thing, friends. Like seriously. I'm gonna give this a little go-ski. I am. Now, first off, I feel like swinging my Killinger axe, my skinny little handle, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna swing, ooh yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna swing Griff's axe. So Griff's axe, friends, is a double bit. It's beautiful, really. Let's look at it. Look at this, for instance. Here's the profile on it, okay? There it is. Look at the profile. It's deadly. Let's be honest, it's deadly. Okay? Now, it was one of those ones that when I was banging it, I put a little ding in it. A little teeny crack started to form. So what did I do? Yes, indeed I did. I doweled it right there.
So friends, we bounce around here a little bit. I go from this big wood to the smaller wood. This little double bit works better up here. So we're gonna smash around this upper deck here right now with this little double. And check this unit out. Griff, this is for you, buddy.
Beautiful. So this is my buddy's. Oh, a flying ants are out. Now that's crazy. Is that a flying ant? No, it's a moth. A little early for flying ants. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. It's just a little bit lighter than this guy though. But it works beautiful. Look at that. Look at this, friends. This is Griff's axe. Actually, I could take a little chip off the side. There we go. Hey, this sucker is a completely different animal. I may even do some work on this bit, friends. I may. I'm not sure yet.
Okay, friends, before we get going up here with this, I'm going to shift back down to this big wood. We'll just clobber a couple of these, then we'll head back down to that big wood there, just so you know what's going on.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Look at it. It's got that noise. Oh dear. Oh yeah, you see what just happened? Do you know what this is? This is Killinger's. You see, this is the whip. This is the axe. This is the one. Gosh, it's like a whip. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing, friends. This is crazy, this axe. Tunk. Yeah. I must have got lucky on that first one then. See right beside that knot, friends? You saw that, right? There it is. This is lovely. Anyway, so that's Griff's tool. This is Buckin's tool right here. Yes, indeed. It's like this big, it's rock in a sock. That's how I can explain it. Like it's all out at the end. You know what I mean? Everything's out at the end. Just like that. Wet. Right? It's crazy. Okay. Ooh, I like this. My goodness, do I like this axe. Let's go over and hit a couple more. We got one more axe to try, friends. My broken handled axe. This guy. The plum, friends. This character. Yeah. The axe handle has got a crack. Look at it. You can even hear it. Listen. Okay? It's cracked.
You can see the dowel. There's the dowel there. Okay?
I'll tell you right now, it does this. Ooh. Mmm. Ooh. Slice-a-roni. The San Francisco treat. Okay. Well, let's see what we can do with this bigger one over here, friends. I don't know if it's a good idea with this little tool, but it is. If it has the right profile, we should be good. Let's go check it. Let's do it. No, we're not. or not. Wow, this is lovely. Whew. Interesting. I'm not going to do that again. See, this is what I like about this tool and this profile. It doesn't get stuck, friends.
Back to the stringy stuff.
See that?
I got my skinny handle going again,
So
friends.
there's a fine line with the profile, right? There is. That's how I designed the wood bullet. Wow. Okay, I think that's got it. I want to build up slowly, friends. Okay, this guy here, it feels solid, like solid. Yeah. Look at this, friends. Oh yeah, see what I mean? This is actually a beautiful tool. Yes, indeed. Wow. Interesting. Now that's an axe. Okay. Just wanted to come over for a quick one, friends. Run these axes again. So it's official. Killinger, it's official. That handle, that skinny little handle, is one of my favorite axes. Yeah, it is. Interesting.
So friends, you remember, look at that. Stand up and buck. BuckinBillyRay.com.
Very nice little tool.
Clayton,
Okay,
fight.
I'm gonna rest my arm.
Clayton, I saw you were in the store. Buddy, thank you so much. Those are going to last you for a long, long time, brother. Lifetime suspenders. Clayton bought a set of suspenders. And thank you for that. You're going to love them, brother. Made by a man with a lot of heart. Anyhow, this young fella, friends, this is one of the twins running that saw that we bought them at Walker's. That still, hot rod still, 362. Look at him go. He's gotten way better, friends. We're cheering him on. He's got his chaps on. He's looking safe. More than not, he's listened to the sound of the saw. It's about the filing. It's up on its plane. It's running good. He's happy. He sends me this stuff, friends. The youth. I love it. Anyways, thanks for watching, friends. Do what you like. Work hard, be honest. And most of all, be kind. Catch you on the next one.
Friends, we're running this pre-order for the next week. Christine put it up. It's in the website. It's the old school Buckin Billy Ray logo at buckinbillyray.com for all your goodies, friends. Thanks so much for watching, thumbs upping, and all the stuff that we do when we come to the channels that we like. Thanks so much, friends. See you on the next one.